want to try one of the example with Lovable. Actually, I have one app which is Salon management app, right? So currently I'm trying to build some social media account around this, and for that I am making sure to create some of the landing pages where I can redirect users to. So what I can do is I can ask Lovable to create a landing page to promote the app and show the good features of that app in order to promote it, right? New feature also includes one of the option to basically say our prompt in audio form, and then it will be taken as prompt. I can also choose a theme for this. So let's say if we pick between orchid or maybe solar, in between two we can pick. So we can say something like create a landing page, but before that we can see plan before you build. We can enable that, right? So create a landing page, right? And for this landing page we have to mention the context for Salon management app, explain features of app, benefits, and why you should use them, right? Finally, a CTA button to get users to download the app, right? We can make use of, let's say, between harvest or solar theme. Let's go with the harvest this time, right? And here is the app URL to understand app more with features, and for CTA link, right? So we can see plan before you build, right? So plan before you build and then execute for landing page. So basically this is a design gig where we are basically creating a landing page for Salon management app, right? And this can be then later used for meta ads or maybe AdWords, and we can kind of redirect the traffic, right? So now what I will do is I will run the prompt and it will move on to the planning phase, right? We'll notice few changes. It is thinking what it should do, right? So it is gathering the information from Google Play Store to understand its features better. Then it will ask a bunch of questions to me before it can design this particular page. So what should be the style of this landing page? Bold, vibrant, warm, professional, dark and sleek, other, and simply modern and minimal, right? So what I can do is I will go towards the professional. So warm and professional. And what sections would you like to be included? So let's say hero element, features, benefits, cities, right? So outside all this I can pick this option along with, let's say this being a multiple answers type question. I can always have some sort of FAQ as well. No need to highlight the price. I will just go ahead with, let's say, app reviews and testimonials, right? Or that's it. No need for going to pricing and all. Next is, should we include app screenshots from Play Store? Let's keep it, use illustrations instead, right? So who are you building for? Client, friends, myself, external users, and let's see personal project for me, right? So all the questions are answered, so I will just submit. So it has got the context for that particular app, and based on that it can build further, So we just have to wait and see how much we can extract out of the whole discussion and then build. So it won't take much, build enough with the data that we have provided. So I have to approve this build plan before I can build. So common questions answered, final CTA, right? Let's approve and let's see where it goes. So now that we have approved, it will take all the credits, obviously, considering we already wasted a lot on the part for planning, right? So we are kind of burning out. Okay, so it has designed the initial setup, right? So all the credits were used while building this, and we can expand this to hide the sidebar, right? So notice that it managed to create this landing page that shows the one-time purchase price. Then it also shows the illustration of our app, right? So we can also see it links to the Google Play Store Explore feature option, and if we check what features it offers, so those are explained in blocks, right? Then there is everything you need to run headline, right? So all the features are here. So we can confirm that it makes a decent landing page based on just the description within the Play Store, right? We compare other apps, and here it is. See this particular review, right? So these are the reviews, and finally the FAQ. So it's at the bottom price. These are created by the AI itself, and it is trying to offer them at the end so that your questions get answered. Finally the CTA, which is supposed to be before this, and FAQ should be totally at the bottom, but then again we are just working with this. It fetched the correct details, so we have the right data here for building our app landing page based on just the description of it. So I don't have to use any designer as such to build product, and neither I need to use any form of deadline based multiple weeks to build the products. Now I can just create through entirely with AI for building the app side, also for the landing page with these designs. I can publish this and it will go live.